Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some happy mail. And first things first, I wanted to make sure you guys had an amazing Easter. If you did, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys did. I would love to know. I kept it very low key, nothing crazy. My daughter's 17, so therefore the Easter bunny is not as, visible as he is when they're smaller. So we really didn't do much, but I did receive 3 amazing boxes on Easter, which was amazing because I didn't think I would get any mail. 1, it's a holiday, and 2, it's Sunday, but I did. I received a box from my mom, but I'm not sharing any of those things on here because she sent me like a bunch of stuff for my house. And then I got this beautiful package from my friend Jazz, and she's like a local pen pal. So my wife picked it up and brought it to me, and it's so beautiful, you guys. I can't wait to share it. And then I received another box from Stephanie, but I think I'm gonna put that in another video with some other happy mail that I got, because there is a lot going on in this package and it literally deserves its own video. So you guys, that's the top of it, and look at this. Can you see how amazing this is? It's like in a little tray, and it's all plastic, like wrapped. And then she like decorated the tray with some flowers. It's like my favorite color. Tons of stuff that are personalized. So we are going to dig in. It looks like a big piece of candy. So we have this cute little ribbon that she tied on each end, which you guys know I will be saving. How pretty is that? Pink and little white polka dots. You guys know I love me polka dots. Now, when we take this off, we are left with this beautiful tray of goodness. Do you guys see this? Oh my god. When I saw this, I was so excited. It literally made me so emotional, because for somebody to take their time out to create something like this for me is very touching, and I feel so special and so grateful to be just part of this community and how kind people can be. So I did sneak peek, so I'm not gonna say I didn't. I did sneak peek, but I had to, you guys. When I saw it, I was like, I'm gonna open it very neatly so that then I can open it on camera. But you guys, if you remember her last package to me, she sent me a bunch of candies, because she knows that I like to craft and of course nibble on some snacks. And look at this beautiful mason jar. I'm gonna bring the focus up so that you guys can see. She has this cute little tag on it, and it says treats in a jar. She put this beautiful pink flower on the lid, and look at all those yummy candies. This is going right on top of my desk so that I can munch on when I craft and listen to some music. This is so cute. Look at the lace on the lid and everything. Thank you so much, Jazz. I love this so much. So cute. I think I'm always going to have it on my desk and refill it whenever I eat all these candies. I'll just refill it and always have a treat in a jar. And then, you guys, back here, we're going to take all these things out. We have this super cute bling, and it's an L. And I think it's so cute. I have an idea where I might put it, so stay tuned for a project with this, because I think this is so cute. I love it. She gave me this cute little mini clipboard, and then look at the little design in the back, you guys. It's unicorns. Isn't that cute? I love this so much. And you guys know how I am with my pom-poms, my tassels. Look at these beauties that she sent me. I didn't have the pink ones. I only had the mint green ones, and I didn't have the white ones, and I didn't have any of these flowers. How cute are those? She sent me 2 packs of these little gold clips. I only purchased 1 of these, but I sent them away to some pen pals, and now I have a fresh pack thanks to her. And look at the little diamonds. How cute. I love these paper clips. These are so good to like add in your projects as a little accent piece. I love them so much. She sent me a bunch of stickers. How cute are these? I love the colors that she chose. She knows me so well in such a short time. Look at this, all little word stickers. You guys, word stickers are life. I love them because they fit in everything. They kind of complete your little project sometimes. When you make flip books and stuff like that, pocket letters, word stickers are a must. And then the last thing here is this trim pack, and it's cute. It's like little hearts. How fun is that? You guys, any kind of trim I love. I love trim of any sort. So that's that so far, you guys. She sent me a box of M&Ms, the little Easter kind. I had purchased this box and my daughter ate the entire box on me. I didn't even get to taste one. So now I have my own box, and I didn't show my daughter. Shh. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. She doesn't watch my videos, don't worry. But this is totally mine. Thank you. She also sent me these cute little 6-piece adhesive frames. How cute are these? I've never seen these. But you guys, I love frames. I collect them. Excuse me, if you guys saw the box that I have filled with frames. I think they're so perfect to like throw over any picture. It just makes especially when you prop them up on foam, it just makes every little thing look a little bit better, you know? She sent me some of these wooden tags, which I never got to pick up. I only have a few that someone else sent me, and now I have a bunch more. These are super cute, and these are also with the, I think the Ooh La La collection. I have the note cards, but I didn't have the wooden tags. So thank you so much for that. I love it. She also sent me this little baggie, and in this little baggie, I didn't open it up. She made a cute little bow with the, what do you call these? Like the pipe cleaners. I see some washi here. She sent me 3 little washies. Can you guys see that? Oops. Let's see. Look how cute that is. And then she sent me a bunch. If you guys can see, I don't want to take them all out, but she does nails and always has like all these little gems and diamonds and stuff like that. So she sent me a bunch of those. I don't know if it's focusing, but I know you guys can see. But in my last package from her, she sent me a bunch too. A little heart. She sent me this beautiful cup. Can you guys see this? I feel like it's not focusing again. Can you guys see this cup? She personalized it, and it says Craft Queen. And it's like an iridescent like sticker. Isn't this amazing, you guys? When I saw this cup, I was like, what? So beautiful. I love it so much. But it gets better. Even though you don't think it could get better, it does. Are you guys seeing all this trim she sent my way? Like, totally spoiled me. You guys, look at this. Look at all this. Isn't that beautiful? And look at those colors. Look at this hot pink. So beautiful. Oh my god. I love every single one so much. And I cannot wait to add them to projects. And they're like stretchy. So cute. And then you guys, I'm going to save the best for last because you guys are going to die when you see what she did. Let me just move my stuff on this side. Just to keep it out the way. She made me this cute little envelope. Like a little tag flip. It says my name. She used such pretty floral paper. Look at this cute little tassel she made. And then she put like little flowers in the back. And then in this one, she made me 2 shakers. You guys see this? How cute. And look at this one. It's like a little bunny. Look at the little tail in the back. These are so cute. She did so good. I love these so much. And that was in that one. And then in this one, She sent me, I'm not gonna take them all out, but you guys, look, she sent me a bunch of frames. How awesome is that? And a bunch of little envelopes and little mini, she made me a bunch of these. What are they? Like this. She made me like 3 or 4 of these. Do you guys see these? I don't know why the focus keeps ruining. What's wrong with this? Right here, you see? Aren't they cute? So she made me a few of those and totally hooked it up with a bunch of frames. And that's what was inside of the envelopes. And look how cute they are. And then, you guys are not ready for this, because I wasn't ready. She made me this cute little box, and she wrote, Lily's Ephemera box. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I am a total ephemera addict. I love ephemera, and I have way more than I need. But you guys, she decorated the box all the way around. You guys see that? Okay. Excuse me. Look at this. Look at this cute little puffball. I love it. So shabby chic. But are you guys ready for this? She cut up a bunch. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go through all of them. But do you guys see this? She cut up a bunch of ephemera pieces for me. Like, what? You guys, look at this. Do you see this? How much is here? Like, there's still more in the box. You see that? She put crinkle paper at the bottom. There's Tim Holtz. There's stuff that she cut out. There's like images she probably found on Pinterest. Oh my god, you guys, this is like amazing. Amazing. I'm thinking about doing a video going through each and every one of them, because this video might be too long, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of all this ephemera that she sent me. And like, some of them I feel like I'm gonna need to hoard for the rest of my life because they're so cute. Like, look at these lips. Just tons and tons of great pieces. Jazz, you don't understand, girl, how happy this box made me feel, because it's amazing. I cannot believe you did something like that for me. I feel so special, so grateful, just overly excited. Look at this. You guys, I can't get over this. This is my favorite part of the whole package. It's amazing, and I can't believe she did that for me. That's awesome. Look at this. Lily's Ephemera box. How cute is that? And then the last thing in the tray were these two little, like little stones. I don't know if you can see them, but it's like two little stones that you can add in shakers and stuff like that. Super cute. I love the colors. Bamboo coral and red agate. Look at that. But yeah, you guys, that is the amazing package that she sent my way. Can you believe that? She totally made my day yesterday. Look at the tray. How beautiful is that? Isn't that amazing, you guys? I am so grateful for each and every one of you that send me happy mail. And I try to catch up. I've been working on a lot of stuff. But I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate each and every one of you that send stuff my way, and I reply. I just need time. But this package is beyond overwhelming. So Jazz, if you're watching, which I know you are, thank you so much, girly. You are the best. This is amazing. And for somebody who is just new into the happy mail bandwagon, you're really great at it, and you really know how to make somebody feel special. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please go check her out. I'm gonna list her information down below. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.